Hello, Jeannie. What are you doing? Oh, I see. You are making shadow puppets with your hand. Have you ever tried to play the game in a completely dark room? Do you know that objects make shadows only when light falls on them? What is the primary source of light on the earth? The sun is the primary source of light on earth. So, what happens to the sun at night? Let me explain what causes day and night. Movement of the earth. Earth is constantly moving. It has two movements, that is, rotation and revolution. Have you seen a top and observed how it spins? Yes, it spins on its axis. Similarly, our planet Earth also spins on its imaginary axis. This spinning of the Earth on its own axis is known as rotation, rotation of the Earth. Let us now examine the effects of rotation on the Earth. Jeannie, please bring a ball, a candle and a glass. Also bring sticker of a house. Now, paste the sticker of the house on the ball. Perfect, Jeannie. Paste the sticker of the moon on one glass. Place your ball on the glass at a distance in line to the candle. See, which part of the ball is illuminated? Yes, it is the front part of the ball which is facing the candle. So, light means it's a daytime in that place. Now, find where is the sticker on the ball. Oh, it is in the dark side. What will you do to bring it into light? That is very smart, Jeannie. You have to spin the ball on the glass to bring sticker of the house into light. The part of the earth that is facing the sun has day, and the part facing away from the sun is in dark and has night. The earth spins anti-clockwise from west to east. If we replace candle by sun and ball by earth, you will understand in better way. See, the light of the sun never falls on the entire earth. It illuminates only one part of the earth and the other part remains in dark. The illuminated part witness day and dark part witness night. The spinning of the earth on its axis is known as rotation. Revolution of the earth. Do we have one season throughout the year? How many seasons do you experience in a year? We have different seasons throughout the year. Change of seasons happen due to the Earth's movement around the sun. The Earth moves around the sun on a fixed path called its orbit. This movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution. Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. How many days are there in a year? It is almost the same amount of time that the Earth took to complete one revolution. The remainder of 1/4 days, that is about 6 hours, are added over a period of 4 years. This adds up to one extra day. This extra day is added to the month of February. So, after every 4 years, we have 366 days in a year. Such a year is known as a leap year. Now, click which one of the following will be a leap year. Look at the revolving earth. Is the light of the sun equally distributed? The light of the sun is unequally distributed on the earth. It is caused by the inclination of the earth on its axis. There are 4 distinct positions on the orbit of the earth. Let's look at them closely. Earth has an elliptical orbit. We will begin our journey from the summer in the northern hemisphere, the Tropic of Cancer. The Earth on June 21, it marks the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. It is the longest day in the northern hemisphere and shortest in the southern hemisphere. Do you know why? At this position, the northern hemisphere points towards the sun. The next position is arrived around 23rd September. At this position, the Earth is exactly at 90 degrees in relation to the sun, and thus all the parts of the Earth receives equal amount of sunlight. Therefore, it is called September equinox. It also marked the beginning of season from warmer to colder in northern hemisphere and from cold to warm in southern hemisphere. Moving to next position, Earth reaches to its next distinctive position around December 21. This position is known as winter solstice. On this day, northern hemisphere witness shortest day and longest night. At this position, Tropic of Capricorn is at 90 degrees in relation to the position of the sun. Therefore, it is the longest day and shortest night in the southern hemisphere. From this position, the Earth next moves to the position of March equinox. On 21st March, Earth reaches this position when sun position is again 90 degrees over equator and all parts of the Earth receives equal amount of sunlight. And it marks the beginning of summers in the northern hemisphere and winters in the southern hemisphere. From this position, Earth yet again moves to its original position from where we began our journey.